Hi guys, and welcome back to the cocktail vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to make a river mint and cola. It's going to be a little bit of a bastardized version because I'm actually using a different rum, a different coffee liqueur, and I don't have river mint. I've never had river mint. I don't even have normal fresh mint. So anyways, the mint is actually only for the garnish anyway, so it shouldn't have too much of an impact on the drink itself. It'll add obviously aromatics as you drink it. The mint would normally be right close to your face. But this particular cocktail was featured in the Bartender magazine. I was flicking through it, thought I'd make it. It was really intriguing because it's essentially a rum espresso martini with Coke. And that sounds a bit strange to me. So anyways, gonna give it a go. This one starts off with the white rum. So 45 mils, an ounce and a half. And literally 45 mils left in that bottle. Perfect. Then your coffee liqueur. So this is an organic coffee liqueur by Antipodes. 15 mils, half an ounce. And espresso. So if you've got a coffee machine at home, just use that. I'm using a cold drip. So 30 mils, 1 ounce. Then fill that with ice and give it a really good shake. So this is kind of like a fizz where you add your soda or your Coke to the glass first. And then when you add the cocktail, it's going to give it a nice, nice heady foam. So strain that into the glass, nice and slowly. And then top it with ice. So as I said, I don't have the river mint. The best garnish I could think of was a slice of lime. Doesn't really go with like the espresso martini aspect, but it goes well with the Coke. So we'll see how it goes. So there you have a river mint and cola. Cheers. That foam's really limey, obviously because it's got a lot of citrus there. It's got some really confusing flavors going on. I don't necessarily agree that espresso goes with Coke. Rum goes with Coke. The espresso goes with the rum, but all those components going together, it's quite confusing. But I don't think I'd probably make this again. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.